Waterfalls are natural wonders created by the force of flowing water cascading down a steep incline or a series of steps in a river or stream. Waterfalls form through various geological processes and changes in the landscape. They are commonly found in areas with elevated terrain, where rivers and streams flow through rocky regions or over cliffs. The specific formation of a waterfall depends on the underlying rock type and the force of the water eroding the terrain. The primary agent responsible for creating waterfalls is erosion. Waterfalls typically occur when a river or stream flows over a layer of harder rock that resists erosion more than the surrounding softer rock. As the softer rock erodes more quickly, it creates a drop-off or ledge over which the water falls. At the base of a waterfall, a plunge pool often forms. This is a basin of water carved out by the falling water's erosive force. Over time, this pool can deepen as more erosion occurs, creating a dramatic basin at the base of the waterfall. Waterfalls come in various shapes and sizes. Some of the most common types include block waterfalls, a straight, vertical drop resembling a block shape. Horsetail waterfall, the water maintains contact with the rock face as it descends. Tiered waterfall, a series of cascades or steps formed on different levels. Cataract waterfall, a large, powerful waterfall with significant water volume. Punch bowl waterfall, the water descends into a pool or circular basin. Fan waterfall, the water spreads out as it falls, creating a fan-like shape. Waterfalls can be vital habitats for various plant and animal species. The moisture created by the falling water can sustain unique vegetation, and the surrounding areas often provide a diverse ecosystem for wildlife. Waterfalls are popular tourist destinations, offering breathtaking views, hiking opportunities, and recreational activities like swimming, kayaking, and photography. Due to their ecological significance and cultural value, many waterfalls are protected within national park, reserves, or UNESCO World Heritage Sites.